Welcome to week 2. To put our text into perspective, we need to do a little historical work. One of our theorists this week suggests childhood is itself an invention. This might be going too far, but certainly the idea of an innocent and imaginative child originated within the artistic and philosophical movement called Romanticism. This was the image of childhood celebrated in the so-called Golden Age of literature, which went from the middle of the 19th century to the early 20th century. With growing literacy and the spread of printed material, people began to discuss ways to educate children, discussions about what children should read. Throughout the Europe of the 16th to the 19th century, there was a strong devotion to the issue of morality in reading for both adults and children. For children's literature, this is a moral concern that exists to this day. One other writer we examine, and by we I mean you, is Jacqueline Rose, who denies there is such thing as children's literature. You're going to have to do a little research on this one. We also have to keep in our minds the issue of genre. There are lots of different genres of literature for children. The adventure book, the school book, historical fiction, non-fictional works, miscellanies, which are collections of odds and ends, fantasy, science fiction and poetry. Jump into the forbiddingly detailed lecture and do the necessary readings. I'm looking forward to reading your thoughts on the discussion boards.